See, I am going to discuss some skew symmetric and symmetric matrices. See, consider a matrix A. A be any matrix. Okay? So, A transpose will be its transpose. Then, prove that. Consider this is a question. Prove that A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. And A minus A transpose will be skew symmetric. ओके अगर A कोई मैट्रिक्स है तो A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज ये कोई स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स बी एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स क्योंकि सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक स्क्वायर मैट्रिसेस के लिए ही होता है। तो हमें प्रूफ करना है कि A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज इज अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड A माइनस A ट्रांसपोज विल बी स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स। सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्रूव दिस। Consider A plus A transpose and suppose this is matrix C. This is matrix C. So if we will success to prove that C transpose is C, then in that case C is symmetric. Symmetric हो जाएगा तो हम C transpose अब find out करें, that is A plus A transpose ओके सो अभी हमने कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज देखी थी ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स की। A प्लस बी ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू व्हाट A ट्रांसपोज प्लस B ट्रांसपोज, ठीक है। देन बाय यूजिंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी इट विल बी A ट्रांसपोज प्लस A ट्रांसपोज ट्रांसपोज। क्लियरली दैट विल बी A ट्रांसपोज प्लस एंड वी नो दैट A ट्रांसपोज इज व्हाट A. That is the first property of the transpose of the matrices. So it will be A. This is C transpose. Okay? See, and we know that matrix addition of the matrices holds the commutative law. A plus B, if A and B are two matrices, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Commutative law hold करता है. Matrix addition holds the commutative law. So that one will be equal to A plus A transpose. Okay, so C transpose is equal to A plus A transpose and A plus A transpose is what? That is C. Clearly C transpose is C. Means C is what? C is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. C is a symmetric matrix and C हमने लिया क्या है? A plus A transpose. Clearly from here we can write that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Okay? Now I am going to prove that A minus A transpose will be a skew symmetric matrix. So now let a matrix D, that is A minus A transpose. Now find out D transpose. So D transpose will be A minus A transpose. That is same as A transpose minus A transpose. By using A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, then A minus A transpose is equal to A transpose minus A transpose, and that is A transpose and minus C. A transpose is equal to A. This is D transpose here. Then D transpose is equal to, यहाँ पे minus आप common लो, so what will become? This one माइनस साइन कॉमन लेंगे तो साइन इंटरचेंज हो जाएंगे, दैट इज A माइनस A ट्रांसपोज. And this one is what? That is D. Clearly this is minus D. So D transpose is minus D. Clearly D is what? D is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. And D क्या है? D is A minus A transpose. Clearly A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Okay, so from here we prove that if A is any square matrix, if A is any square matrix, then A plus A transpose will be a matrix and that will be symmetric, and A minus A transpose will be also a square matrix and that will be skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now see a very important result I am going to explain. If we have any square matrix A be any square matrix, okay, then A can be expressed as, see here, 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A ट्रांसपोज लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन चेक, इसको ओपन करेंगे, सो इट विल बी 1 by 2 A प्लस 1 by 2 A ट्रांसपोज प्लस 1 by 2 A माइनस 1 by 2 A ट्रांसपोज, यही है. एंड दिस इज प्लस 1 by 2 A ट्रांसपोज, दिस इज माइनस 1 by 2 A ट्रांसपोज, सो दीज टू विल बी कैंसिल. सो व्हाट वी हैव 1 by 2 A plus 1 by 2A, this one and this one, and that is equal to A, half A plus half A, that is full A, so A is equal to A. Okay, so we can write A in this form, we can write this. Okay, see, now suppose that A is equal to, this is C and plus this is D. Clearly this, where C is half of A plus A transpose and D is half of A minus A transpose. Okay, now we can easily prove, क्योंकि अभी recently हमने प्रूव किया है कि A plus A transpose क्या है, सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, तो उसमें एक कांस्टेंट से मल्टीप्लाई किया गया, so it will be also a symmetric matrix. I am going to prove this. See, C transpose, find out C transpose. So C transpose will be 1 by 2 A plus A transpose whole transpose, यही होगा. अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा था, that is K A transpose is equal to K into A transpose, यही पढ़ा था. So by using this, K is any scalar, K is a scalar, K is any constant, so 1 by 2 outside हो जाएगा, that will be A plus A transpose. Clearly that is equal to half, this is A transpose plus A transpose transpose, by using A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So from here we have 1 by 2 A transpose plus A. Okay, so C and this is 1 by 2 can be written as A plus A transpose, because addition of matrices holds the commutative law. So A plus B can be written as B plus A. Okay, and this is C transpose, and you can check this is what, that is half A plus A transpose is nothing but C. Clearly here we proved here that C transpose is equal to C, that is C is symmetric matrix. Okay, and in the same way जब हम इसको D को लेके चलेंगे तो हम क्या प्रूव कर देंगे, and consider D, आप इसको पास करके नोट कर लेना, D क्या था, हाफ A minus A transpose. Okay, so find out D transpose. That will be half A minus A transpose. So it will be half A minus A transpose. That is half A transpose minus A transpose. That is half. This is A transpose minus A. Okay, minus 1 अगर हम कॉमन कर ले, then what we have, minus 1 कॉमन कर ले, so this is minus half and it will become plus A minus A transpose. अब आप देख लो, that is your D. So that is minus D. So D transpose is D. Clearly D is what? D is skew symmetry. अभी हमने प्रूफ किया था स्क्यू सिमेट्री, तो फिर से ये प्रूफ हो गया. अब आप देखो हमने ए क्या लिया था, व्हाट वी हैड टेकन ए, वी हैड टेकन ए इज हाफ ए प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज एंड प्लस हाफ ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, जिसमें ये क्या है, सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, दैट इज सी, सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, सी सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. और ये क्या है, स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक, डी स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. और ये क्या है, एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. ओके, दिस इज एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स एंड दैट इज सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड दैट इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. तो किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को हम इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. मींस फ्रॉम हियर वी कंक्लूड दैट एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. So I am going to write the statement and advise you to write this statement because this is very important result. That is, any square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay. So for example, consider a matrix A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. So find out its transpose, A transpose. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Now find out A plus A transpose. हाफ, so that will be half इन दोनों का सम, इसका और इसका सम. What we have, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 7 10, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 8 14, 7 plus 3 10, 8 plus 6 14, 9 plus 9 18. Okay, that is 1 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 1/2 है, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इस साइड में, सारी एंट्रीज से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, मींस सारी एंट्रीज 2 से डिवाइड होंगी. तो 1 3 5 3 5 7 5 7 9. Okay, that is half of A plus A transpose. Now find out A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose, that is half, so that will be half. This is A and this is A transpose. Minus करना है, तो 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 4 minus 2 2, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 7 minus 3 4, 8 minus 6 2 and 9 minus 9 0. Okay, so you can see when we add these two, 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose, that is equal to, it will become A, you can check it, that is इन दोनों को आप ऐड करो, this one इसको डिवाइड कर दो पहले 2 से, so we have 0 minus 1 minus 2, that is 1, this is 2, this is 0, that is 1, that is minus 1, that is 0, okay, और ऐड करके आप देख लो, so इन दोनों को ऐड करें तो 1 plus 0 1, 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 2 7, 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 2 3, 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 1 6, 7 minus 1 6, and 9 minus 0, sorry, this is 9, this is 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus minus 1, हमें ऐड करना है तो 7 minus 1, that is 6, is it correct? 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, that is, इन दोनों को हमें ऐड करना है, 5 plus 2 that is 7, and 7 plus 1 ऐड करना है, 7 plus 1 that is 8, and 9 plus 0 that is 9, okay, थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया था, मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट करने लगा था जबकि हमें ऐड करना है, okay, so you can check, this is A, this is nothing but this is A, so this is if this is C plus this is D, then this is A, तो आप देखो इस A को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, A can be written as this, A can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, can be written as 1 3 5 3 5 7 5 7 9 plus 0 minus 1 minus 2, 1 0 minus 1 and 2 1 0, okay, और आप चेक कर सकते हो, this one is a symmetric matrix because when we change its rows into column and columns into row, it will be same, and this one is a skew symmetric matrix, आप चेंज करके देख सकते हो, okay, so that's enough for today. Next time we will solve next exercise 3.3, okay, I advise you that solve some problems based on this topic from the examples and from any book. Next time we will solve exercise 3.3. Thank you.